If you want to find and use a translator on Redmi 15, then in that case we need to open the Play Store and we need to download an app that will be used as a translator. So we can go to search and we can use, for example, Google Translator app, which is of course for free, and I think this is the best one to use. So find Google Translate and then install it on your smartphone. After that, we're gonna open the app. There we go. Over here we even have this hint that we can use conversation, and we're gonna go over here. Let's grant all these permissions. There we go. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be automatically translated to the selected language. Of course, we can pause the microphone at any point if you want to. We can listen to the translation and so on and so forth. Here we can pick up the language, and we can even switch the view. So we can flip the sides like this, so that one side is flipped around, upside down I mean. So it might be a little bit more convenient to use in a real life situation. We can of course close this as well, and that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.